Happy July 15th, episode 15. We are 50% halfway done with the vlog.
Dos, I'm wearing gloves. Yes, come here. It's because, number one, the floor is filthy. I'm a germaphobe, and
We're just stuck in the zone. What am I gonna force a trade? You see my trade I took in the car. Got long here.
we are live in a few. This time, the traffic was wild. Not the traffic, but the parking was insane. Hey, the weather's good. I'll give it that.
Happy July 15th, episode 15. We are 50% halfway done with the vlog. It is 10:42 in New York. Sorry, here, 10:42. I've been up for a little bit, traded. I am done. I am up very nicely. $16,000 on the day. Mission completed. I can't trade anymore. I'll get in trouble with that consistency rule. I'll take some live trades at the 6 p.m. session or something for you guys, per usual. I'll take a couple of contracts, but I can't really do much anymore, or again, I will get in trouble with the consistency rule. So we'll be taking a live trade, but later. Today is, I'm just very happy. We are green, halfway in the month. We're green, we're doing well, even after that devastating loss yesterday, bloodshed. We're still green for the month, and that's all that matters. And we will be Friday, today's Tuesday, Friday will be halfway completely and 3 weeks in, and God willing, we're green. We're going to celebrate cookies, apple cider vinegar, sparkling juice, whatever the hell it's called. We'll celebrate. Boom. And pizza. No celebration without pizza. So today is going to be a good day. So we're going to hit basketball. Madam's going to make breakfast in a few. She wants to get her nails done. I'm not getting my nails done. I'm a man. I don't do those things. But basketball, she wants to go dancing tonight again. She goes, can we go every Tuesday? I'm like, fine. She does a good job. So we're going to reward her, and we're just going to go out. So it's all good. We'll make it happen. Plus, that scene is not so bad anyway. And yeah, boom. By the way, keep in mind one thing. Do not lose hope. Do not lose hope when it comes to trading. We got to get the laundry ready to give to the maid. She's going to do laundry. So, you know what? Come with me. We'll walk and talk. We got to grab all the laundry. I need a bag. Let's go get a bag. Let's go walk and talk with me, I guess. But you know, it's interesting. You would think that losing a little bit, losing a lot would be like horrible. Another beautiful day. Just look at this, man. I've been with you guys for 15 with July 15th. July 15th? Yeah, 15 days now of vlogging. Tell me you haven't seen the weather bad once. Not even once. Look. Not even once. Not even once. But back to what I was saying. You would assume people would say, oh, you know, bad trading day, bad trading experience, I'm going to give up. Bro, no. Garbage racks. Let's go check in the kitchen. Then. Go ahead. You can't have a bad experience. You just can't. Let me turn the AC on for the madam when she makes breakfast, so it's nice and cool for her. But you can't have a bad experience, man. You just can't. At the end of the day, what you have to understand is this is a long-term game. Completely long-term. If you don't think it's for the long term, then I don't know what to tell you. You're in the wrong field. If you don't think it's for the long term. Because I'm telling you, the goal is to be green for the month. That's the only thing that matters. Nothing else matters to me than green for the month. And, you know, I don't want to say this out loud, but I'll say it out loud. 100K for me is the goal for the month. 100K. We'll see how it plays out. Because again, like I said, it's not about the payout. I'll deal with that in August. Because then if I take a payout, then I'm going to start really low balance, right? We'll see how it goes. We'll see. because my mentorship students will be here for the mentorship at the end of the month. Not the end of the month, sorry, next month. And where the hell the garbage bags, man? And when they're here, I don't know. I could use my real money, or I could show them how to do the prop firm stuff. What do you guys think? Tell me in the comment section. Showing the prop firm stuff for the mentorship, or just use real money? I don't know. We'll have to see. We'll have to see on that one. I don't know what they want. Because for me, I could just use my real money. I was doing this prop firm stuff to show. There was a big lizard in there. Big lizard. All right, give me a few. I gotta go find a bag. So I'll be back. Got the laundry, dealing with tech support on Instagram. A couple of people had made fake accounts of me. So people have been messaging me about it. It's annoying as hell. So is that my shirt? Out of line? But gotta give this to the maid. And the madam texted, she said breakfast ready. So let's have breakfast, then basketball, and boom, shakalaka. Guys, I'm coming out right now. I know you were watching an episode or lesson, but I just want to let you know, free trading course, daytradeprofessor.com. You're broke, you got no money, you got nothing, but you just want to start it off, Day Trade Professor. Click down below, go in the description and start the free course. It'll help you get along the way. See you in the next one. Let's go. Good morning, madam.
Morning.
What's up?
What's up?
Somebody slept good because you went to sleep early.
I slept so good.
Good. How's the bread?
Bread.
Hard.
So no bread?
You can have fruit instead. You can't have fruit every day. It's not good for you.
No, but you made the bread. I was excited when you know when you have expectation and that's taken away. It's that's just what it is. I thought I was gonna have that bread you made, but
I ate the good bread yesterday.
okay.
I'll make some more. Don't worry.
All right. No, I'm just expecting it. It's fine if I can't have it, but I just had an expectation. No, but it's not you. It's okay. I understand. It got hard. I get it. No worries. That ring noise drives me mental. That ring noise. I'm gonna show you guys the breakdown. It loaded up the loss from yesterday. Brutal. It made the loss that I had the other day times two, but we're still green. We're still green for the month. I'm happy about that. Very good day today. That's how much we made. Praise God. I'll take a 16K day. Let's get it. You know what? That's what I want. Okay, I want that regularly. I want a 16K day every day. And I'm going to try my best. I'm going to try my best to achieve that. What led me to make what I made? Very simple. I waited for the setup. I didn't force. Thank you, madam. I waited for the setup. I didn't force anything. That's basically it. Madam, can I get a knife, please?
So,
That's all. I didn't force it. Yes, please.
Okay. And fruit.
Okay. Oh, this the mango you said was good?
Yeah, you're not eating any fruit.
I'm not a fruit guy.
We have so much.
I know. I just don't eat fruit for some reason. Oh, there's mangoes. Woo!
Okay.
Buy more mangoes, please. Oh my God.
this one is something you need to see. Then you're that user that to
This is so good.
Oh my God.
Oh, what?
There you go. I'm just a big protein meat eater. Just not a food guy. Dude. But back to what I was saying. I wait patiently. If I think about it, every one of my failures, losses, is due to the fact that I'm either rushing the trade, or forcing the trade, or, which is a part of going against the trend. I honestly just want to live in peace. I don't want to be bothered. Just leave me alone. And learn to trade. Become consistent. Live your life. And be left alone from society.
You know what's funny? I'll tell you a story. You know my friends that have the Discords and all that subscription service business, all that, right?
What's that?
They'll message me. Damn, Professor, you got the trader's life. You don't got to deal with any of these things.
Such a thing.
I said, I know. And then they're like, I can't stand my Discord. They don't give me a moment of peace. One of them, I'm not going to say his name, messaged me. It was so funny. He was like, me and my family, his wife and his kids, went to some cabin or some place he owns, I don't know. And he just wanted to spend some personal time with his family. And he's like, his Discord was so needy that they wouldn't give him a break. And he was saying things that I'm not going to repeat here. Of course, you know, personal privacy. But it was hilarious. And I was like, bro, you chose it. You chose to have it. Like, did you not expect that not to happen? He goes, but the money's so good. I said, then you chose to sacrifice it. You chose to deal with the nonsense for the money. Yeah. Hey, he goes, I'm not going to say the number again, but it's 6 figures a month. Giving up my peace of mind for money is suicide in my opinion. I value serenity. I value living on my terms more than anything else. If someone comes to me tomorrow and said, and this has happened, hey, team up with me, we'll make 6 figures a month together, but you gotta join a Discord. No, thank you. I appreciate you. No, it's not that bad. All right, I'll give you $500,000 a month. You have to be in the chat, manage the chat, talk to them, their wants and needs, all that. I said, you can keep that $500,000. Do not sacrifice your well-being, your mental health, for a few bucks. Someone said to me, Professor, you can get your school sooner. I'd rather wait 10 years to get it than to sacrifice my peace of mind. I travel, I teach, I trade. I explore the planet. I go where I want, when I want. I don't wake up to alarm clocks. Since I've been in Mexico, not a single alarm clock has gone off. I get up naturally. I'll have to get an alarm clock when my mentorship students come. I don't use my phone in the room. I'll repeat that again. Your mental well-being is more important than anything on this planet. Anything on this planet. I don't care what anyone tells you. Nothing to me is more important. For me to be mentally sane. And that's what I got into trading for. The independence. The ability to do what I want when I want. Man, come on. Come on. Come on. How could you not? How could you not? If there's one thing that could motivate you is, how could you not? It breaks you off from the weirdos of society. It breaks you off from things you don't want to do. It literally makes you be who you are. Man. You don't have to put on a facade, a fake mask to everyone. You can just be yourself. You know, as much as I complain about that consistency rule, you have to make the same amount regularly. Not too much, not too little to get a payout. It actually keeps me in check. Like, I'm not even looking at TradingView. I can't. I just can't. Even if I look at it, I can't do anything. All right, we'll talk later. I'm interrupting your lesson right now to let you know, if you don't know,
You want to get consistent? Well, listen, I wrote 3 books. I got one of them on me right now. How to just hit sell, consistently trading, how to be a consistent trader, and the Consistent Trader Journal Checklist. Everything you need, I've covered it already. Why are you wasting your time searching this, that, the third? You're already watching me right now. Might as well get the book. Click down in the description, get them, and go on your way of what? Consistency. See you in class. Let's go.
Picking up the professor. Let's see what he's doing.
Dos, I'm wearing gloves. Yes, come here. It's because, number one, the floor is filthy. I'm a germaphobe. And just to show you how much I've been playing,
Yeah.
Yuck.
this is how much basketball I've been playing. This is how much basketball I've been playing. So I'll see you at the next, let's go, bye.
Just got home, went out after basketball. The madam wanted to get her nails done, so I was like, okay, how long? An hour. So I was like, oh, hell no. I went, just got another haircut. So boom. Took some trades in the car, good, bad. So like I promised you, I'm gonna get ready. We're gonna do I was gonna go swimming. But it rained and the mosquitoes are rampaging. So let me see if there's a trade. Actually, let me see if there's a trade set up for today. And then I'll take the trade. If not, she wants to go dancing. When we come back, I could do that. We shouldn't be out too late. So let me get everything ready. Let's see if there's, you know what? Sit with me. Sit with me. We'll make it happen right now. Let's get everything started. Boom, boom, boom. Let's see if there is a trade set up. Before we even think about taking any trades, we'll have to analyze the market, right? So let's go. You know what's funny? I was in a trade. I was green. And my phone, I realized it, God bless, was at 1%. Let's just say that could have gone very, very bad. Legit 1%. I got on a trade, even though I have my other phones, that was my personal phone, the Z Fold I was trading on. And on that phone, what do you call it? I don't know the passwords. The Z Fold has everything, but the other ones, none of the above. None of the above. All right, let's load it up. Let's see if there's a setup there. If not, then forget about it. Let's see. Because I was trading in the car, it was very sideways, choppy action going on. And yep, choppy sideways. No clear direction. No, we can't take no trades right now. We're just stuck in the zone. What am I gonna force a trade? You see my trade I took in the car. Got long here, within the support line of mine, and got out right here. That's it, because I was like, okay, this is fell hard, dead cat bounce. Now chop, 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 chop city. I'm looking at the other time frames. Let's see if something pops up. Until then, we can have trade over. I'm not going to force a trade, but let me just have this ready to go. If this breaks out, we can catch the move if it breaks out. This is where patience comes to play, where you just back off. It put 5 contracts onto one account. Let me get out of this trade. It's holding. It's holding. Okay, I'm in profit. Let it go down a little bit and I'll hit sell. I'm out. Okay, cool. So let's try that again. Let's try that again with copy trading. I don't know why I didn't do it on all accounts. It's breaking to the downside. All right, guys, as you can see, we got the screen recording here. I took some trades. 800 up, 150, 300 loss there. Let's go. Let's go. I'm looking at trading view over here. Let's see. We were breaking out to the downside. I already took one trade. I took a couple trades, not one. Let's see. Don't want to short here because we're back in the zone. And I'm not going to, let's not force a trade. Let's not force a trade for the sake of a recording, for God's sakes. Let's not do that.
Order fill.
I'm in. Did I get filled on all 3? Yes. We're in this short right now. All time frames are to the downside. We're following the trend. I need the candle to close outside the zone. We're copy trading on 3 accounts, by the way. Candle close above 222,988 is stop loss. By the way, if some of you would do this, you know what some of you would do? You would add here for whatever reason. And let me show you what not to do. Right? This is what you would do. A lot of you would be like, I'm gonna add.
Fill.
But you're not gonna add. You're gonna get out. You're gonna take a loss. Haha. Haha. You thought, and look at the explosion. Look at that explosion. Woo! Right on time to get out. You thought. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. What was that? $85 loss on that account? Okay. We're up 565 here. Okay. Cool. Let's try to get another entry. My phone is dead when the dinner's ready. Oh man, it's gonna get cold, but it's okay. We just need a pullback. It's just a rocket shipping. We can't just get in. We need a pullback. We need to pull back down. And then we can take an entry on this. Let me look at some of the higher time frame. What are we looking at here? Massive drop today.
Order fill.
I'm shorting here. Quick scalp. Quick. I see massive resistance here. Let's see if we get a follow through. I'm out. I'm out. I didn't get the follow through that I wanted, and I'm not just sitting on this. Third and last trade. All right, we're above the support level. Resistance. Now the resistance becomes support. I like that. I'm on straight. Ah. Okay, what did I just do? 6, 12, 18. I never use trade over 8 to trade. I just use it on TradingView. Okay, because I can just hit the red blue buttons here. I'm long, so I'm going to hit the red button to get out. Am I out? I am out. All right, boom, 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 boom. I'm actually going to make an Instagram story about this. So no follow through whatsoever. And that's the thing, right? This is the definition of this market. The definition of this market. And it went right back up. right back. And then right next to my entry. And woo! Woo! No follow through, man. This market is the definition, not of the other time frame. It's bullish. It went above my entry. Wait, what the hell is that? And it's rocket shipping. All right, I set 3 trades. I'm gonna take a breather and then take some trade. I think the madam's flagging me for dinner. All right, let me show you the trade breakdown. Hold on. So let me show you the trade breakdown. Hold on. All right, guys, as you can see is my trading journal right here, updated. The losses from today, right here. Wednesday crosses over, of course, from tonight. But if you notice, 16.1 for July 15th. And this is the big hit. It didn't update, but it updated. $32.3 thousand loss on that. We're still green for the month, 6.39. Okay. So if you notice, double 16, 30, double of my loss. Atrocious. And just now, loss on this sideways action going on right now. So let's look at more data. So P&L not looking so good. We were at 29,000. And now we're at 6.39K drawdown right now. Let's look at more stats. If you notice today, this evening, up 936, and we've just been going downhill. 16K on this, and then the 32. I was doing very well. If you look, 489, 1,000, 1,883, and then we went to negative 43, saved some of the account to 32. 18 trades, not good. There's the breakdown. This has no follow through either. It's just stuck in the range. So we're gonna put the kibosh on that. I'm just gonna trade tomorrow. But that's the hit. That's the hit right there. Let's go have dinner. Let's shut all this down. All right, so it happens. It happens to the best of us. So that is the moral of the story, just so you know. You know, it's funny. When you do well, your brain is like, yeah, you're doing well. How long for dinner, madam?
About 15.
Okay. My phone is dead, so it's charging. Just message me on Instagram.
Let's go back inside. Let's make a story for IG. And then, you know what? We're gonna do a book read. Let's do a book read. We haven't done that for today. So we'll knock out 2 birds with 1 stone. We'll knock out 2 birds with 1 stone. Okay. Let me put you down. Switch to Madam said 15 minutes. Okay, cool. All right, so let's do a motivational story. By the way, those that don't follow me on Instagram, Day Trade Professor. Only 1 account, blue check mark, the whole 9 yards.
No one's saying it's not.
All right, let's save this. We're gonna read 2. I got you. Let me post this. Okay. 146. He who violates the codes of morality and justice to help someone unlawfully will end up as an utter loser in the next life. In so doing, he courts his own loss in the hereafter. He who violates the codes of morality and justice, meaning doing injustice to people, not being morally, having a moral compass to help someone else. That's like when you go to trial for something, and I guess I'm using an analogy, and they call you as a witness, a character witness, and you lie to help your friend. Let's say he's a murderer, a big-time criminal, whatever the case may be. You might not get in trouble here on this earth, or this realm, this dimension, this Narnia-type reality we live in. But in the afterlife, you will have to answer to the Almighty. To the Almighty. Keep that in mind. All right, I'm going to see if a trade shows up in a few, but I'll see you for dinner. We're going to go live on IG. Boom.
I'm interrupting your class right now to let you know, and I know you know, if you've used my free course, you use my books, I got 3 of them, and it's still not enough and you feel like you want more, well, guess what? I got a mentorship program happening in New York in my classroom, small amount of students in a lecture hall setting where I go through precision what you need to do what? Buy and sell strategically. And if you don't want to come to New York, I yearly have international trips. You can join those. Get a mentor, get everything figured out. I got a secret Instagram where I talk about deeper things that I don't talk publicly. I'll see you in my class. Let's go.
Dinner's almost ready. It's time for me to go live. It's Tuesday, and we're going to make it happen. I'm hoping that Madam changes her mind and says, let's not go dancing because it's late. But, women, what are you going to do? I don't want to go, but let's see. Let's see. Let's burn more coffee. Oh, what the hell? Madam, you broke the lighter? Oh, refill. How do we do this? Oh, what the hell? Oh, the button broke. Oh, man. This was a part?
Yeah.
Okay. This is kind of cool. Uh-oh. One of the parts just...
Ruby.
I have no idea how this goes. Shit.
Sleeping.
Sacre blue, man. Ah! I'm getting bit. Madam, what is your doing? Is there another one around?
That.
Because there it is. I have to.
But there's the little pieces too. Did you see the little pieces?
Girl, next time don't do it like this. It's okay. I'll reverse engineer it. Let me get the light, please. All right. The madam tried to do something, and now I gotta figure out what the hell. All right, let's. Ah. Okay. We bought the reloading thingy. Okay. All right. Let's see. Next time, don't do anything like this without me seeing.
It broke.
Oh, I thought you were trying to refill it. Oh, God damn, this is...
But then
Yeah. All right, I got to figure out. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, let's see how the freak we do this. Okay, cool. All right, let's get this going. leave this to the side. At least the gas cartridge is safe. Let's light up another one. I hope you guys caught that on camera. I barbecued them. All right, rock and roll. That's ready to go. Time to go live. All right, we are live in a few. We are live. The madam wanted to go dancing. I tried to convince it like it's late, but she goes no. So guess what? Dancing we go. Dancing we go. Got the cowboy hat on, got the button down on. Let's rock and roll. It's late. It's 10 something. I want to be in bed so badly, but you know, she's a good assistant. Sometimes you give in. You give in. Let's rock and roll. Let's rock and roll. Boom, boom, boom. All right, round 2. Madam wanted to dance, so round 2. Okay. Your boy wanted to sleep. I tried to convince her, but it didn't work. Usually it works. But I didn't really try as hard as I should have to convince her.
Now you really wanted to come, just a little.
A lot more people this time. The traffic was wild. Not the traffic, but the parking was insane. Yes, way more people. What's that? But I did try to get out of this, I promise you. More people or what?
Yeah.
Yeah. Looks like we made a missed up show dancing. So Adam was getting her nails done. So we might have missed everything. So let's see what ends up happening. Hey, the weather's good. I'll give it that. Just got home. Super late. I think it's 1 in the morning or something. The madam wanted to go to another spot. I said, that's fine. But she saw how tired I was. She left the fan on. Madam, you left the fan on.
Stay up.
The fan, your fan. That's why the battery be dying.
I didn't use it.
You were sitting here last, remember? I put it on you when you were hot.
I think you forgot it.
No, you
No,
were.
we're going to an after party. What are you talking about? And there's
I'm gonna make a coconut water. We all want coconut water. I barely drink water here. Cut up one for me too, please. With the scissor. So you know what? One of my tricks. Seltzer water in it. In the coconut one. Coconut soda. I'll show you what I mean. I took some trades in the car. It wasn't good. Maybe I was forcing it. You open them?
Yeah.
Oh, that's too small. So this is a good way of making it, right? So you basically take, let me show you on camera. Boom. Fresh coconut. Here you go, madam. You like throwing it over there. Aim for a lizard or something.
Why a lizard?
I'm messing with you. I love the lizards. Then you put
Spider, hell yeah.
stop the spider. I love spiders. Then you put seltzer water in there, okay? And the last ingredient, Himalayan sea salt. Some Himalayan sea salt really adds to it. And not the regular salt. It has to be Himalayan sea salt. And then mix. Now that's refreshing. Ooh, ultra refreshing. All right, so let's rock and roll. I'm probably gonna wake up late tomorrow. Let's see, because I need some sleep. And the best seltzer water, if you can find it, it's called Earth Water, EARTH. Comes in a glass container. You've never had seltzer water that good. It's very hard to find. But wherever you are on the planet, you can find Earth seltzer water, glass container, the best.
Tell that we just got back from the club.
We didn't go to no club.
Went to the club.
We didn't go to no club. I would have filmed it if we did. Thank God she said no. We were going to a bar
Yeah, I think so.
It was a bar from what he said. In my head, I'm going, oh God, I'm too tired as it is. We went so late, she didn't get to take her dance classes because she wanted to get her nails done. And I was already out of it. I was hoping. I didn't try my best to convince her out of it. I said my line and then I walked away. I was hoping, but it didn't work. I didn't try that hard. That's what it is. But the thing is, I already gave her my word. Once I give someone my word, it's too late. I can't do much about it. I can't do much about it.
Please.
All right, let's put everything away. Madam, thank you for everything. I'll see you tomorrow.
I'm gonna go.
Can you? Why is it so greasy? You've been touching it when you've been cooking?
No.
Okay, no worries. Have a good night, madam. Like I said earlier, trading. Oh, what a beautiful day. What a beautiful day. Trading has... You have clean trends some days, and some days you don't have clean trends. And the days where there's no clean trend is a day that you get hurt in the market. Keep that in mind. I'll say that again. The days when the trend is not clean is the day you get hurt. It's really that simple. All right? I'm going to go take a shower and crash in bed. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I might not trade tomorrow. I might take off. Or maybe just do one or a few contracts. I don't know. We'll see what the word is. But I need some time off. I need some time off. This week hasn't been my best week. Monday was bad. Was it Sunday or Monday? Sunday was good. Monday was bad. Tuesday was very good. And now I know we're not in Wednesday yet, but the prop firm stuff classifies my late night trade as a Wednesday trade. Not the best. Not the best. So now 2 red days this week. I went from no red days the first week to 1 red day last week to now 2 red days this week. I'm a little disappointed in myself because I know I would have taken time off. It's like I'm telling you what to do, but I'm doing it, and I shouldn't do it because of the these vlog stuff I'm doing, right? So what I would tell you is listen to me. When you have good weeks, like when it's good and you're like, your conscience says take a little off, take a little off. I don't know. We'll see how I feel when I wake up tomorrow. I've been exhausted for hours. She really wanted to go. She's like, I'll go by myself. Even when I was there at the, what is it? Music? Whatever. What the hell? I can't even think right now, but whatever that thing we went to, when we were sitting down, because I was getting dizzy. People were smoking cigarettes, vaping, cigars. Smell gives me a migraine, and then I got dizzy. I'm very sensitive to smoke. And then we were sitting down. Some old guy came to her and said, let's dance. And she goes, no. And he looked angry. And I'm like, you wanted to go by yourself? Come on now. So I went for her safety because she really wanted. She's like, I'll go by myself. I'm like, no, I can't have something happen to her. Have to make sure she's safe. All right. On that note, boys and girls, have a good night. I'll see you the next episode tomorrow. I can't keep my eyes open. Come on. Good night. May peace be upon you all.